Welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad that you're here and I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to dive into the best and the easiest fertilization program for growing healthy and abundant carrots. Carrot harvest is one of the most rewarding gardening activities you could do. Not only do they provide essential nutrients for our diet, but growing them can be a great, fun, and educational experience, especially if you involve children in the process. Watching carrots grow through different stages can be truly fascinating. I've personally faced challenges with growing carrots, especially when it comes to making sure that they'll all have uniform growth and avoiding deformities. Over time, I have learned through the trial and error that proper fertilization is the key to success. I'll share some troubleshooting tips along the way. Now, to ensure that you get a high harvest and healthy harvest, having a structured fertilization program is really important. In this video, I'm going to cover a couple of things. Firstly, I'm going to cover the importance of a carrot fertilization program. We're going to talk about key nutrients required for optimal growth. I'm going to cover best methods for fertilization and step-by-step application, and some common problems and how to fix them. So let's get started. If you're new here to the channel, welcome. I'm Nora, and I share with you my gardening journey as well as the chicken keeping and a couple of different strategies that I've learned along the way. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. The success of carrot cultivation largely depends on the availability of essential nutrients in the soil. Now, fertilization here really helps to provide these nutrients and also enhances soil quality, which in turn improves plant growth and root development. Healthy soil means healthier roots that also lead to bigger, tastier, and more nutritious carrots. Now, for optimal growth, carrots need 3 primary nutrients. Starting with number 1, nitrogen. Nitrogen supports leafy green growth and also enhances photosynthesis by aiding chlorophyll production. The second nutrition is phosphorus. Phosphorus encourages strong root development and energy transfer within the plant. And lastly, potassium. It strengthens the plant resistance to environmental stress, such as drought and extreme temperature, while also working to improve root length and quality. Now, as a troubleshooting tip, if your carrot has excess foliage but weak roots, you might be using too much nitrogen. So you can go ahead and adjust the balance to encourage root development. Let's now explore the best way to apply these 3 nutrients effectively. Now, for best results, you can follow my structured fertilization plan. And this is a step-by-step carrot fertilization plan that I use and that many successful gardeners and people who are starting out as well use as well. So step 1 is soil testing. Now, this is optional, but it's really recommended. So before applying fertilizers, you can conduct a soil test by determining the existing nutrient level. Now, this step is so important if you're growing carrots on a large scale or for commercial purposes. It's not a requirement, but it does make the difference if you're trying to grow a lot of carrots. And the test results will help you to tailor a fertilization plan specific to your soil's needs. Now, when it comes to my experience, when I first started growing carrots, I skipped this step. I really did. And I ended up with stunted growth because of a phosphorus deficiency. A quick soil test later revealed the issue, and then I went ahead and I corrected it, and it did make all the difference. Now, step 2 is choosing the right fertilizer. Based on the soil's test results, select fertilizers that contain appropriate balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. In addition to these primary nutrients, carrots also benefit from magnesium and calcium. In terms of magnesium, what it does to the carrots is it enhances the photosynthesis and the root growth. Calcium here strengthens the cell walls and it prevents root deformities. So if your carrot has split or deformed roots, your soil may be lacking calcium or it has inconsistent moisture levels. So once you correct that, everything's going to go back on track. Step 3 is to create your fertilization schedule. Now, when it comes to fertilization schedule, timing is everything. Carrots, they require different nutrients at various growth stages, so make sure that you plan your fertilizer application using the fertilization schedule that I will also include in the description box below, starting with stage number 1, which is pre-planning stage. you're going to enrich the soil with organic fertilizers. You're going to use compost or farmyard manure or a well-balanced organic matter in order to improve the soil structure and fertility. Stage number 2 is early growth stage. And this stage comes after germination. So you're going to apply a phosphorus-rich fertilizer to promote early root development. If needed, you're going to repeat the step based on your plant's response. Stage number 3 is the mid-growth stage. So in this stage, you're going to use a balanced fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to support overall plant development. Next stage is the later growth stage, which you're going to go ahead and increase potassium levels in order to enhance root strength and stress resistance. And our last stage is the fun stage, the maturity and harvest stage. In this stage, you're going to reduce nitrogen application in order to avoid excessive foliage growth and instead focus on root development. So to ensure maximum absorption of nutrients, what are the best things that we can do for our carrots plant? We can apply fertilizer evenly. So when we distribute the fertilizer in an even way across the soil surface, this will really help to prevent nutrient imbalances. Another thing is to gently mix into the topsoil. So we're going to lightly incorporate fertilizers into the upper soil layer to facilitate nutrient uptake by roots. And last thing we can do is to water after fertilization. So make sure that we are going to water adequately. This really helps the nutrients get absorbed more faster, easier, effectively as well, and it reaches the plant's roots. So I once over applied fertilizer in a small section of my garden, and it led to uneven growth with some plants getting too much nitrogen while other plants suffered. So even distribution is crucial, and I learned it the hard way. So for a structured approach, I'm going to give you a sample fertilization timeline that you can stick to. Number 1, preparation and planting phase. So you're going to apply organic compost or farmyard manure to enrich soil structure. In the second stage, the early growth, which happens after germination, you're going to use a phosphorus-rich fertilizer to boost root formation. Stage number 3, mid-growth stage, just simply apply a balanced NPK fertilizer for optimal plant health. Stage number 4, late growth stage, you're going to go ahead and increase potassium to strengthen the roots. And lastly, in our last stage 5, the last stage pre-harvest phase, you're going to reduce the nitrogen levels and opt to maintain a balance between phosphorus and potassium. So before we wrap up our video, here are some final tips I'd like to leave you with. Starting with number 1, always follow expert recommendations and adjust your fertilizer application based on your local climate and the soil conditions. Make sure that you regularly monitor plant health and modify the fertilization schedule if needed. And make sure to bear in mind that different carrot varieties have their own unique nutrient requirements. What we offered here in today's video is more for general carrot plants, but there are specific varieties that have their specific needs based on that variety that you're trying to grow. So by following this simplified and effective fertilization program that I use myself and that I've learned through trial and error as well, you can ensure that your carrots receive the right nutrients at the right time, leading to a wonderful high quality harvest. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on an update. See you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.